Test. Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to another session of PSLE Math. Okay, so today we're gonna continue with ratio, fractions, percentage, decimals. Alright, hello Dila. Okay, so for now, okay, as per usual, okay, share and like. Again, if you are new, do follow us. Alright. Okay, what's that? Nothing. Okay. Hello, Charmander. Alright, Charmander, what's your name? Yes, today we're gonna have Kahoot, okay? If not, people stalk you, okay? Am I supposed to know you? Are you one of my students in my class? Okay, hello, Chengxi. No, okay. Alright, then I'll just label you as Charmander, okay? Alright, hello everyone. Welcome. Okay, so today we're going to continue with ratio, fractions, percentage, decimal. Alright, so keep on sharing this live. Alright, if you are new, click on the plus button there. Okay, follow us. And the share button is also here. Go and share. Alright, am I pointing in the right direction? Okay. You didn't get the $10 popular voucher. Okay, did you submit from the QR code? Okay. Let me take note about it, okay? I'll inform them. Okay, did anyone contacted you or anything like that? No. Don't worry, I think they are figuring something out because you mentioned you were from Brunei, right? Alright, welcome, okay? Alright, so if you are ready, okay, tap your screen, okay? And then I'll show the Kahoot in a while. Okay, if you all need to see the QR code, I can show also. Okay, Nisa, you can scan this first. Wait, let me adjust the screen. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this QR code lah. Okay, then we can start on today's Kahoot. Okay. Alright, for those who are new, okay, my name is Coach Mo. Alright, I've been with MasterMaths for quite some time. Alright, getting close to 10 years actually. Okay, I've been doing primary school tuitions since beginning with MasterMath. I started with them in 2017. Around there, I think. Yeah. Okay. Seen you somewhere before. Oh no, are you stalking me? Alright, okay, yeah. So, as an introduction, we are MasterMath, okay? We are providing education services, tuitions, okay, for primary school students from P1 all the way to O levels, okay? All the way to O level math, alright? Yeah, so yeah, what was I about to say? Yeah, all the way to O level math. Not only just that, we also do science classes, okay, for P3 to P6, and we also do English class for primary 6. Alright, so if you are interested in any of these classes, okay, you can actually scan this QR code, okay, to actually sign up for a free trial class with us. All right. So we are at a few locations. We have physical classes, online classes, okay, and purely online class also. All right. So our class runs in a hybrid manner where you can actually choose to come physically to our center or join online. All right. So not yet, not yet. Don't worry. You are still early. Okay. I'll be showing the QR code in a moment. Okay, so just doing some introduction first before I show the Kahoot QR code, the Kahoot game pin, right? Yeah. So what I was saying just now, we are at Farrer Park, Tampines, Woodlands. I think I missed out one. Jurong East, yeah. Okay. So these 4 places. All right, and then we also have a purely online virtual class, we call it, right? Okay, chat. Okay. Alright, Chamenda, you mentioned you've seen me somewhere before. Okay. Alright. Okay, while I'm about to show you all the game pin, okay, do help to share this live, okay? At the same time, tap the screen. Let's make it up to 15,000 likes today. I think last week we did about 13,000, I think. Okay, maybe today we can make it higher. Alright, we can make it up to 15,000 or maybe even up to 20,000 likes. Alright, okay, it's very possible. We've done it before. Okay, alright, go tap your screen and share this live. Okay, and I'll show the QR code in a game pin in a moment. Yeah. Alright, so the game pin is 6032738. Okay, so go to www.kahoot.it. Alright, enter 6032738. Alright, come on, okay. Do join in, okay. Get your friends, your classmates, okay, your siblings, your cousins, okay, get them to join in the Kahoot, okay, and challenge each other. So once you join, okay, do help us to go and share this live with them also, to get them to join into the Kahoot also. Alright, welcome, those who just joined. Okay, we got Tapak Kuda just joined. Welcome. Alright. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 6032738. Okay, 6032738. Alright, come on, just join only, okay? And try your luck, okay? Maybe today is your turn to get a $10 popular voucher. Alright, okay, so at the same time, we have this Telegram channel at the top, at the middle of my screen here, MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, so what do is, you can actually join the Telegram group if you're new, especially if you're new. Join it, okay? Usually, we put our notes, we upload it into this Telegram channel. Alright, so you can go to our Telegram channel. You will be able to get our future notes, okay, even past notes, okay. At the same time, every time after the live, right, they will send you the solutions to the questions from today's live. Alright, I will actually also go through the solutions at the end of the Kahoot. Alright, so do stay till the end of the Kahoot. I'll go through the solutions, but for you to have like a copy that you can refer back to when you are doing your own self-practice, right, you will get it from the Telegram channel. Alright, welcome. Okay. Alright, we got, I think, some more of you on the live right now that are not in the Kahoot, alright? Don't be shy, okay? If you are, the questions that we have today can be done, I think, either you are P5 or P4 should be able to do maybe a bit of P5 lah, because we have some percentage question. Alright, we have some ratio questions that are only taught in primary 6. Okay, but if you are P4, P5, you want to try your luck, by all means, come on in. Okay, if you are older than primary 6, example, you are in secondary school or you're in polytechnic right now, okay, you're in IT, you're in JC, okay, by all means, you want to try your luck, come on in, okay. And again, the top winner for today, the number 1, okay, will get a $10 popular voucher. You give back to your teacher. Is it like after PSLE over, you take the result, then you take out everything, you put into a box and you give back to the teacher, is it? Alright, those who just joined, welcome. Okay, come on into the Kahoot. Alright, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 6032738. Who Sec 3? You ask if I'm Sec 3. Nizam, you're asking if I'm Sec 3. Oh, you're talking about yourself. Alright. I thought I look like Sec 3. So, Dila, you want to teach Shakil accounting? Or you want to join the accounting class by Shakil? Okay, you want to join. Okay, later I'll tell Mr. Shakil that you want to join. That you want to learn accounting with him. Alright. Yes, a lot of secondary school students today, okay? So, very good, okay? Just try your luck, okay? Okay, I look 30, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, those who just joined, welcome. Okay, come on in to the Kahoot, try your luck, okay? I'll begin in about 2 more minutes. Okay, Sec 1. You are saying that you are secondary 1 or you are secondary -1? Okay, alright. Once you've joined the Kahoot, right, while you are waiting, go tap the screen, okay? We can, I think, even bring the likes up to 4,000. Alright, Dila, I will inform Mr. Shakil that to actually run a class for you. Alright. Okay, those who are here, okay, who just joined, welcome, okay? Those who just joined, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 6032738, okay? At the same time, click that arrow, okay? The arrow that's pointing out of the screen. Why? Because that arrow will help you to share this live, okay? You can click it, you can copy as a link, go and post, okay, to your WhatsApp group, okay? Go and post to your WhatsApp group, your Telegram groups lah, okay, your group with all your classmates and all that. Go share with them. Alright, somebody asking me how do I share. Okay, let me see if I can show you all from my phone. Alright, so you can see, are you able to see my screen? No, you are not. Okay. At the bottom right of your screen, bottom right, there's an arrow there, right? Okay, go and click that arrow. Then you'll see a share. Okay, you can share to WhatsApp, you can share to Telegram, you can share to Instagram. Okay, go and share. Okay, share as much as possible. Alright, don't be shy. There is no arrow. Is it because you're not logged in? Bottom right, okay, beside the GIF icon. Okay, come on, be nice, okay? Alright, once the likes hit 7,000, I'll click start. Okay, once the like hit 7,000, I'll click start. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ratio, fractions, percentage, decimal, part 2. Alright, so the first few questions, right, don't use a calculator, okay? Those are basically questions that usually come out for paper 1. Alright, yeah. So, let's go. Okay, solve the following. Express 15 minutes as a ratio of 1.25 hour. Okay, is it 3 to 16, 3 to 17, 3 to 25, or 1:5? Okay, how many more? Alright, so the answer is 1:5. Okay, so the thing is, the question just now had a minutes and minutes and hour, right? So we need to convert into same units, then we can reduce to simplest form. Alright, you cannot be putting like 3:1 and 1/4. Okay, you need to convert the 1 and 1/4 to minutes also. Okay, so how do I convert hours to minutes? Come on, quick one on the chat. What do you all think? How do I convert hours to minutes? Come on, don't be shy. Put it on the chat now, okay? How do I convert hours to minutes? Correct, very good. Okay, D. Okay, we multiply by 60. So 1.25, we multiply by 60. Okay, okay, yes, 1 hour is 60 minutes, not 100, okay? Hundreds is only for your cm to meter. Alright, okay, yes, 1 hour is 60. So I multiply by 60 and I'll be getting 75. So 15 to 75, 1:5, okay? I'll be going through more in-depth, okay, for this question in the solutions later. There is 2 correct answer. Oh yeah. Okay, so for those who actually selected 3:25, there's a fluke, but you all got the points also. Okay, it's not supposed to be 3:25, okay? There's error in selecting the answer. But no worries, okay? Let's go to the next question. Okay, so we got a happy hamster, okay, at first place. And then we got a rational mink, okay? Close by. Okay. And we got a proud hen, okay, at third place. Okay, so these 3 are quite close points to each other. Okay, we got a 4th and 5th with a tie. Okay, so again, remember the voucher goes to the number 1 position. So you have to go and try to rush to answer to get the number 1 spot. Okay, the faster you answer, the higher the points that you get. Alright, those who just joined, alright, you can still join the Kahoot. You go to www.kahoot.it and enter 6032738. Alright, I'll wait a moment. Okay, you can go to www.kahoot.it and enter 6032738. Alright. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, 150% of a number is 600. What is the number? Okay, no worries, come, try your best, okay? Okay, we got half a minute left. With 20 of you already answered. Okay, half a minute more, 30 seconds, 27. So 150% of a number is 600. Okay, 150% means you are making it more, right? So the original number is probably lesser. Okay, so technically there are only two options here. Okay, yes, the answer is 400. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's why I initially mentioned, okay, there's this Telegram channel that we have here. Okay, usually we will upload our the questions, okay, like about few hours before the live. Alright, so you all have time to actually go and try it out first. Okay, once you try it out, basically you can answer very fast already. Okay, yeah, so that's like a bit of a cheat code lah to winning this Kahoot. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. The answer is 400. Okay, if you took 150% of 400, you will get 600. Okay. There's two way of doing this question. Either you solve it by finding out what is 100%, or you can, like, because this is MCQ, right? You can try go and multiply by 150% to all the options and see which one actually give you 600. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, the initial number is supposed to be lesser than 600. So there's only two options here, either 300 or 400. Okay, you can try these two, then you're supposed to get 400. Okay. Alright, now, before we go to question 3, or before we even see who are the new top 5, okay, let's bring it up to 10,000, okay. We're only at question 2 and we have a chance to already cross 10k of likes, okay. Come on, let's do this, okay. Go and tap your screen. A bit more only, we can cross 10k already. Alright, go and tap your screen. Alright, thank you very much. Let's go. Okay, so Happy Hamster is still at the first spot, okay? Alright, and then we got the second spot, Amazing Hedgehog, very close by, okay? With 1,476. And another one that is close is the Melodious Ocelot. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, okay? We got only 1 point different, okay? So, yep, it's a very competitive groups of people here today. Very good, very good. Okay, let's go to question 3. Okay, during a sale, items were sold at 20% discount and bought a dress for $120. Find its original price. So if it's a $120 is a price after discount, okay, the original price is supposed to be higher or lower. Alright, okay, maybe you all can think about that first, okay. Is the original price supposed to be higher or lower? If it's higher, how do you find that higher price? If it's supposed to be lower, how are you going to find that lower price, okay? I'm not giving away it yet, okay? Alright, okay, we got 19 seconds more. We got 17, 16, 14. Alright, last 10 seconds. If you have not selected, come quickly select your answer. 4, 3, 2. Okay, so like I say, it's supposed to be higher. Okay, yes, supposed to be. I didn't actually mention is it supposed to be higher or lower, but I open up to you guys, right, to decide whether it's higher or lower. But yes, it's supposed to be higher because after a discount, right, it's 120. So the original price is supposed to be higher. Alright, okay. So I'll go through the actual step after the Kahoot, alright? So hold on till the end of the Kahoot, okay? Don't give up yet, no matter how low your points are. Alright, the main thing here is also to actually learn from your mistake. Once you learn it, okay, you can always go rejoin, join our upcoming lives and even score higher. Alright, and if you are P4 or P5 students, right, we actually also have another session, okay, if I'm not wrong, on Tuesday or Wednesdays, right, where those are lives, questions are meant for P4 or P5 students. We alternate between P4, P5, P4, P5, okay? Yeah, so, but today's session is, yes, PSLE math. Okay. The happy hamster still maintained 2,492 points, but the melodious ocelot actually increased. Now it's 2,469. Okay, less than 30 points of difference. Okay, it's about 20, 23 points only. Okay, so very close, very close. Okay, and then 1 point different is the amazing hedgehog. All right. Okay. All right. Very close. Very close. Everyone, all the top five are at 2,400 points. Okay. Still anybody's game right now. Okay. Even the next question, okay, anyone can just climb over and go and take that number one spot. All right. Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. Let's go to the next question. All right. This is a double point question. What percentage of the total pens are green? Okay, we got a minute more, roughly about a minute more. All right, okay. So what percentage of the total pens are green? Okay, just a heads up. Okay, maybe I don't know who else haven't answered. Okay, and the answer is not supposed to be green. Okay, you're not supposed to take 8 plus 4. Okay, I hope not many of you selected 8 plus 4 and you got 12. Okay, but I'm not gonna say which of the 3 other answers, which of the other 3 options are the answer. Okay. Okay, but of course it's not 8 plus 12. Alright. Okay, if you already selected 12, then you can just pray hard that the next few questions will help you to climb up the ranks. Okay. Alright. About 10 more seconds. Okay. If you haven't answered, come on, quickly answer it now. Okay. Like I already say, it's either 3, 6, or 7. Okay. Yes, the answer is 7%. Okay. Okay, the game pin is 6032738. Okay. We got 4 more questions. Alright. Okay. So come on in, come on in. Okay, just try your luck. Okay. 6032738. Alright, okay, in the meantime, okay, before we see the rankings, okay, if you still have not shared this live, okay, do help to share this live. Okay, remember to press that arrow button at the bottom of your screen. Okay, go and press it. Okay, and then go and share with your WhatsApp groups, okay, Telegram groups, okay, that with your classmates, that with go and share with your siblings and all that. Okay, at the same time, okay, go and tap the screen. Okay, okay, we are close to 14k now. Okay, make it up, go to 14k. Okay, go and spam. Make sure I see so many heart shapes on my screen. Okay, go make heart shapes everywhere. Okay, we can bring it up to 14,000. All right, come on, bring it up, bring it up. Let's go, let's go. Okay, yeah, fill the screen, fill the screen. Okay, very nice. Okay, it's 14,000 now. Let's see the rankings. There, I see. Still anybody's game. Now we got the amazing hedgehog that took over the number 1 spot with 4,462. Very close by is the melodious ocelot with 4,455 points. And even closer is the 3rd place. Okay. And the 4th place. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Alright. Are y'all ready for the next question? Let's go. Question 5. Okay, this is a equal concept question. Okay, so if you all remember from your primary 5 math, right, when it is equal, when they say that the fraction of this is equal to the fraction of that, what is the first step that you need to do? Okay, all right, we got about a minute and a half more. All right, come on, let's go. Okay, so this is equal concept where they say that 3 over 7 of x is equal to 2 over 5 of y. And they ask for the ratio of the value of x to the value of y. Okay, so there are something that you have to do with the fraction. So don't just take the denominators just yet. Okay, what I just said just now probably is a hint really at what is the possible answer to this. Alright, okay. Alright, again, if you are new to this live, right, never seen MasterMath before, okay, go and click the plus button, the follow button, okay? Alright, okay. One more thing, okay. The live that you see here right now, okay, is actually recorded, okay, because TikTok helps to record. Alright, so where does this recording goes to? It goes to YouTube, okay. On YouTube, there's our YouTube channel called MasterMathsTV, alright, where you can actually go there, watch our previous live, okay. At the same time, you see this Telegram channel, okay. So you might be thinking, I go and watch the live, but how do I actually utilize it? Okay, what you can do is you can find the corresponding notes for that live from our Telegram channel. Okay, go and join MasterMath PSLE, alright? Alright, don't worry if you're not sure, okay? So stay on till the end of the Kahoot. I will go through the solutions with you guys, alright? Okay? Okay, wow, the top 5, basically everyone got it correct, okay? And there's no change, okay? But the number 1 spot and number 2 spot is getting very close now, with only a difference of 7 points. Alright, very good, very good. Okay, now next question. Question 6. This is a purely percentage question, okay? There's no fractions involved, there's no ratio involved. Alright, okay, again, if you're not sure, don't worry. Try your best to select one of the answer. And I'll go through the actual solutions at the end of the Kahoot, okay? Alright, don't just give up and leave the TikTok just yet, okay? Stay on till the end, and maybe you will learn something new today. Alright, we got about 2 minutes more. Okay, very good, Zahira, okay? Okay, we got 2 minutes more. Alright, okay. Alright, come try your best, okay? Okay, this is a percentage question. I think you all did percentage in primary 5, right? Okay. Alright, good. Okay, keep on tapping your screen also once you're done, okay? Okay, we can even bring the likes up to 18,000 or maybe even 20,000 today. Alright. Very good, okay? At the same time, remember that we will always be live on Fridays at 8:30 for PSLE Math, okay? 7:30, what you seen just now with Coach Nawaz, that was for secondary math, okay? On 8:30 is for PSLE Math. And if I'm not wrong, on Wednesdays, we have P4, P5 Math, okay? On Saturdays, 6:30, we have PSLE Science, alright? So, a lot of chance for you guys to actually win that $10 popular voucher. Okay, alright, so stay tuned, and for you to be notified, okay, whenever we go live, go and click that plus button on the top, okay, at the top of my screen if I'm not wrong. Okay, go and click that plus button, follow us, okay, if you haven't followed us yet. Alright, so when you follow us, whenever we go live, you can be notified. Okay, we got 15 seconds more. There is a PSLE English live, if I'm not wrong, but I will need to check again what are the dates. Okay, you can also search for us, MasterMath, on Instagram. Okay, and then you will get you will see the post whenever we going live. Alright, like we will post on our Insta story or Facebook story like few hours before the live itself. Okay, yes, very good. The answer is actually 34%. Alright, I will go through in a while why is it 34%. Okay, okay, wow, again, all top 5 got the correct answer. Okay, we got very close, okay, number 1, number 2, okay, with only 13 points different. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's go to the next question. But before we go to the next question, as I mentioned just now, we are a tuition center, right? So a bit of marketing. Okay, yeah, to actually experience more of our lessons, okay, not just this lessons that is like in your mobile phone, right? Okay, to experience more of our lesson, you can actually sign up for a free trial. Okay, like I say, we provide math lessons for P1 all the way to O-level maths. Okay, we do PSLE English for just for PSLE primary 6. Okay, we also do science for P3 to P6. Alright, and we may have some other levels upcoming also. Alright, so to experience a free trial, go and sign up. Okay, you can scan our QR code, okay, to enroll to a free trial. Okay, and then after a free trial you can decide. Okay, alright, but you can actually experience the class. Okay, alright, hello, we got Aida, is it? Alright, welcome. Alright, okay, so keep on tapping your screen. Okay, we are very close to 20k. Okay, alright, very good. Let's go to the next question. So the next few question, okay, you are allowed to use a calculator. Okay, we got, I think, 2 more questions, right? Both question, remember, when they are type answer question, okay, when you type the answer, remember, just type the number. Okay, you're not expected to say like 75 girls or 150 girls, something like that. Don't need to put the item, just put the number. Okay, and don't go and put spacing and all that. You just waste your points. Okay, alright, okay, are you all ready? Let's go. Don't need to put any units. Okay, alright, this question, Emma made some cookies for a charity bake sale. She sold 42 of them in the morning and 2/5 of the remainder in the afternoon. She had 25% of the cookies left. How many cookies did she make in total? Okay, again, don't have to put the word cookies in the answer. Alright, just put how many cookies did she make in total. Okay, we got about 2.5 minutes more. Okay, about 2.5 minutes more. 7 of you already answered. Okay, quite a number of you more haven't answered yet. Okay, go and try to solve this. Again, maybe you can even get the correct answer and still get some points. Okay, alright, okay, come on in. Okay, come, try your luck. Okay, try your luck. Okay, this is a remainder concept question. Alright, there might not be a decimal. Okay, so if you put 280 divided by 5, there's a decimal there might not be a decimal. Oh no. How? Okay, there might not be a decimal. Okay, about 1.5 minutes more. About 1.5 minutes more. Okay, about one more minute. Okay, in the end, they're asking for how many cookies in total. Again, we break it up. Okay, there's a portion of 42. Okay, then there's the remainder portion. 2/5 of the remainder is in the afternoon. Then there's the remaining portion, right? The remaining portion is 25% of the total. So how are we going to solve this question to find the total? And probably you need to use that 42. Okay, probably some units equals that 42 lah. Okay, then you can find total. Alright, 20 of you already answered. Very close, very good. Okay, about 15 seconds left. Okay, again, don't worry if you got stuck. Okay, I will be going through the solutions at the end of the Kahoot. Alright, so just stay on. Alright, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why got so many answers? Oh, that's new for Kahoot, where they throw up all your answers on the screen. Okay, that's new. I thought there was some error in what I did. Oh, sorry, why is there so many numbers show on the screen? Yes, the answer is 72. Okay, 8 of you selected 72. Very good. Let's see. We got the amazing hedgehog at 10,430 points. Very close by at 26 points away only. Okay, we got the agent dove. Okay, and just slightly lower is Victorian's end. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go to the last question. Okay. Again, remember, don't type the units, just the number. Again, this is another percentage question. There were 80 more boys than girls at the fun fair. After 60% of the boys and 35% of the girls left the fun fair, there were 13 more girls than boys. Okay, this is a before and after question. Alright, okay, but might not be able to use ratio to solve this. Okay, might not. Okay, but if you think that you might be able to, by all means go ahead. Okay, then there's 60% and 35% of the girls left the fun fair. Now there were 13 more girls than boys. Okay, alright, come on, try. Okay, we got 2 more minutes. Okay, if you are wondering, if you're new and you're wondering why got all these people very fast can answer already. Alright, what you can do is actually join our Telegram channel, MasterMaths PSLE. If you don't have a Telegram, alright, go and ask your parents for permission to install Telegram. Alright, and then you can ask your parents to join this MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, why? Because we actually send the notes for this lesson into this Telegram channel. Okay, so you can actually open up the notes and start doing like few hours before. Okay, usually we send like about 3 p.m, 4 p.m like that. So just nice after school, okay, you rested, okay, and you can start trying out the questions. Okay, and then after that, when you join the live, you can answer very fast. Don't teach them how to cheat. Oh, okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, okay, it's not cheating lah, it's advanced preparation. Okay, it's like you do your homework at home, right? Okay, then you did your revision at home, then when you go in school, you do a test, you can answer very fast already, something like that, okay? Yes, it's called tips, yes, very good, okay? Okay, about half a minute left. Okay, 20 seconds more. Once you're done, okay, once you have entered your answers, right, go and tap your screen, okay? Okay, I want to see the lights, the heart shape, so go up, fill the screen more. Okay, come on, make it, fill the screen. Okay, go and tap your screen. Why got fraction, right? Since when I asked for fraction? Okay, 5 of you selected, written down 180. Very good. Okay, so actually there's this new feature with Kahoot, I think, where we can actually see all the answers that were submitted. Okay, interesting. Okay, if I have to click review answers, right? Okay, the good thing is nobody's wrote down like units and all that lah. Okay, but because it's asking for number of total people, right? So confirm cannot be fraction. Okay, so it must be a number lah. Alright, no worries. Okay, very good. Okay. Alright, so if previously you were like the top 5, okay, and maybe you think there's a chance that you may have climbed the number 1 spot, okay, or if you already know that you're on the number 1 spot, go and take a screenshot of this QR code, okay, because this is how you can claim your $10 popular voucher. You can go and scan this QR code after you found out that you are number 1. Okay, remember to take a screenshot on your phone also. Okay, remember to take a screenshot on your phone that's showing that you're number 1 also. Alright, not my TikTok screen, okay? On your phone showing your number 1 spot, go and take a screenshot of that also. And when you scan this QR code, you can submit that screenshot together. Okay, and then remember to enter all your particulars lah. If not, later who do we send the vouchers to? Okay, if not, later I have to go put my particulars. Okay, joking. Okay, alright, okay, remember to snap a screenshot of your number 1 spot also. Alright, okay, everyone okay? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, number 3 is Victorious Ant. Number 2, we got Agent Dove. And number 1, we have Amazing Hedgehog. Okay, good job. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright, now stay on. Okay, just quickly I will go through the solutions with you guys. Okay, so you'll be clear lah, okay, how to get the answers and all that. Okay, come. I will go through from the last question, okay? Okay, let me zoom in into this model first. Okay, so where's my pen? Okay. Alright, so firstly they say there were 80 more boys than girls at the fun fair, right? So you see my first model, I draw a normal rectangular where the boys is more than the girls by 80. Okay? Then after that, because we are talking about percentage, right? So I wrote down 100%, 100%. Okay? Very easy start. Okay, maybe some of you just now who got the correct answer, maybe you have some other steps. Okay, but this is the way that I usually do also lah. Okay, Not saying that you're wrong, okay? Maths usually we got multiple steps lah. Okay, multiple methods to do it. Okay, then after that, 60% of the girls, of the boys, and 35% of the girls left the fun fair. So 100 minus 60, we got this 40% here left. 100 minus 65, minus 35, we get 65% here. Okay? Actually, this whole thing is 65%. This whole thing. Okay. Then, the thing is, let's say I got 2 items. Let's say I got 2 bags of candies. And I say that I want to give half of my candies to Ali. Okay? Example lah. Okay? Example, I got bag A and bag B. Okay? Obviously, you want to give half to a friend, I would give like half of this and half of this, right? I not just give half of A, right? I want to give half of A and half of B. So same thing here also. Okay, I take out 40% of 80. I got I find what is 40% of 80 because he took out 60%, right? Okay, 60% of the boys. So I find what is 40% of 80, I got 32. That's why I wrote down 32 here. And they say at the end, there were 13 more girls than boys. So this portion here is 13. So what I do is I find what is this percentage. Okay, that's why I do 65 minus 40, I got 25%. Okay, and from here to here, it is 32 plus 13, 45. 100% of the girls, okay, it is 45 times 4 because 25 to 100 is times 4. That's why I got 180. Okay. Now, question 7, okay. Like I say, if you feel like not enough time to copy, don't worry. In a while, in about 10 more minutes like that, from this Telegram channel, we'll actually send you the solution. Okay, you can, this same solution, you can just refer to it. Alright, and use it for your revision. Alright, this one was the remainder concept question, right? So, firstly, she sold 42, so I cut out 42, and 2 over 5 of the remainder. So, from this remainder, I cut into 5 portion. 2 of it is afternoon. And the remaining is 25%. Okay, so the 25% here is 3 units. 100%, 3 times 4, 12 units. So, total is 12 units. Here got 5, right? So, 12 minus 5, 7 units. So, here is 7 units. So, 7 units is 42. 7 units is 42. Then I find 1 unit, which is divide by 7, I got 6. Then lastly, total. We already found out that the total here is 12 units. So I find 12 units by multiplying 6 and 12 together. That's how I get 72. Okay? Okay. Okay, hold on. Alright, this one I leave it here in case anyone wants to copy anything. Okay, now let's go to question 6. There were 60 bits in a box. 45% of them were pink and the rest were yellow. Okay, so from there, I can roughly find how many pink, how many yellow. But the thing here, we are interested in the pinks, right? So I find pink. That's why if you can see properly here, this was a 45 over 100 multiplied by 60. So I do some cancellations and I will eventually get 27. So there are 27 pink. Total is 60. So when 10 pink bits were taken out, okay, there was no change in yellow, right? So actually I don't have to find yellow. what I'm interested in is what percentage of the remaining bits in the box were pink. So I minus 10, I got 17. Okay, so 17 over 50. Why over 50? Because 60 minus 10. Okay, we got 50. So multiply by 100 and I get 34%. Okay. Okay, question 5. Like I mentioned just now, question 5 was equal concept question. So whenever equal concept, right, if you have, firstly you need to identify what fraction equals to what fraction. Okay, so in this case, it's quite straightforward. They already say that 3 over 7 of x is equal to 2 over 5 of y. So they already say. So I write this down. 3 over 7 of x equals to 2 over 5 of y. Okay, then if it's equal concept, okay, it's opposite from when your total are the same or something like that. Okay, what you do is you make the numerators the same. Okay, so 3 times 2, 2 times 3 equals to 6 over 14 and 6 over 15. So the denominators are the amount of units for x and y. So that's why when they ask for x is to y, the answer is 14 is to 15. Okay. Alright. Hello, Akil. Okay, so question 4. They're asking for what percentage of the total pens are green, right? Okay, so if you want to find the percentage of green, okay, we must have the green over the total. So the green, right, I find it one by one because I'm given the percentage, right? So 4 over 100 times 100, I got 4. 8 over 100 times 300, I got 24. So the total is 4 plus 24 over the total, 100 plus 300. So I got 7%. Okay, that's how I got 7%. Okay, and not 12 or not 3 or 6. Okay. Okay, during a sale, items were sold at 20% discount and bought a dress for $120. So like I said just now, the discounted price is lesser than the original price, right? Okay, so that's why 80% is 120. I divide by 4, I got 20%, which is $30. I want to find 100%, I times 5, I got $150. Okay, now question 2. Okay, 150% of a number is $600. 600. So 150% is 600. Again, the number is the 100%. Okay? So, after that, what I do is I can divide by 3 to get 50%. Divide by 3, I got 200. Then 50 times 2, I get 100%. Times 2, I get 400. Okay? Okay. Alright, very good. Okay, you are applying what you've learned. Very good, okay? Alright, last question. Okay, like I said just now, this question need to convert hours to minutes. Okay, and then we converted by multiplying by 60. That's how I got 75. So, sorry. 15 is to 75. We divide by 5, we got 1 is to 5. Alright, okay. I hope everyone benefited from our lessons today. Okay, enjoyed the Kahoot. Okay, you want to see question 7 again? Alright, I'll show it here for a while. Okay. If other than that, nothing else, that's it for today. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Alright, again, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, okay, go and join at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay. And then you'll be able to access our today's notes with the solution that will be uploaded in a while, plus all our last past notes and all that. Okay. Alright, okay. And you'll be able to like go and download the notes, go and try, then refer to the solution. Okay. It will be good practice for you guys. Again, like I said earlier, We also have a Telegram channel. Not just Telegram. YouTube channel. Go and search for MasterMathsTV on YouTube. Okay, and you can see all our past lives also. Other than that, we are also on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, go and follow us. Okay, and you'll be able to, you'll be notified whenever we gonna have live on that day. Okay, like I say, we will be having PSLE English live. We'll be having P4, P5 math live. Okay, we have secondary school math live. We have science PSLE live, and we also have like what we have today. Okay, PSLE math every Friday 8:30 p.m. All right. Other than that, thank you everyone. See you all next week. Again, if you want to go and try your luck on the science live, go and join in tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Okay. Other than that, thank you everyone. My name is Coach Mo. Thank you everyone and goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Charmander.